I know you have your routines.
Learning online during the COVID-19 shutdown. Teachers across the district are connecting with students from home using the online program Zoom. It allows teachers and students the ability to use video conferencing so they can interact face-to-face.
Zoom has been really important for my children to be able to see one another and for me to be able to see them, to make that face-to-face connection that we haven't had for several weeks now. We have been able to talk about the books that they've been reading and review some reading strategies with them. We've also worked through some math problems with students, some tricky problems that they were facing on their Google assignment. I can pull up the whiteboard and I can show them how to solve that problem and work through that with them individually.
More than 1,600 staff members in the district have been trained using Zoom.
It allows teachers, administrators, counselors, nurses, and even therapists to do live instruction, counseling, intervention, and therapy with students. We chose Zoom because of the safety features that are built in and the ability to record sessions. So if students need to go back and view a lesson that they missed, they have the ability to do that. With Zoom, teachers can share their screen, they can create presentations, they can do live polls, they can pull up whiteboards and interact with the students. It gives a lot of great features that teachers do in the classroom that they can just continue doing virtually.
Several teachers are setting up scheduled times for their classes to meet online, which parents think is very helpful.
I love the fact that the school is offering Zoom. I also love the fact where the students are able to interact with their friends. They're also able to interact with the teachers. If they come across a problem, they're able to ask the teacher, and the teacher is able to help them solve the problem as if they're actually physically in the classroom.
Students say the meetings feel like they're at school, asking their teachers for help to complete assignments and getting to interact with their friends and more.
I really like that I could still act like I'm in the classroom because he still makes us raise our hands and ask questions about what we have to do the following week or the week coming up. So it's very smart to have this app because I can still stay in contact with my teacher face-to-face on the screen and with my classmates.
It's just like the regular school that I go to. At the end of the day, we sing our song, and then first we read a book, and then we always talk to our friends and we raise our hands.
Zoom also allows teachers to meet one-on-one with kids, making sure every student is getting the help they need during this time.
I feel like it's been really valuable for my learners to do individual meetings. They've been able to have good conversation with me about what they're learning. I think the group meeting is fantastic for them being able to see one another and have more of an open conversation of how's it going, what have you been up to.
All students in grades 3 through 12 have their own district-issued devices. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.
I think we'll end with what are some positives that you can take away from this experience.